What's up guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log in Federal Bank Courier. Logging into Federal Bank Courier is quite easy, so without any delay let's start. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser, for example Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. on your computer. Navigate to Federal Bank Courier website. Type Federal Bank Courier website into the search bar and press enter. Locate the login section. Once you are on the Federal Bank Courier website, look for the login section. You should see a sign in or login option in the top right corner of the page or home page itself. Enter your username and password. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your username and password. Input the username and password associated with your Federal Bank Courier account and enter CAPTCHA in the field. Submit your login information. After entering your credential, click on login or sign in button to submit your login information. Complete two-factor authentication if enabled. Depending on your account setting, you may require to complete a two-factor authentication process. This could involve receiving a one-time password sent to your registered mobile or email address. Enter the OPT in the provided field to proceed. Access your account. If your login credentials are correct, you will be granted to access your Federal Bank Courier account. From there, you can view job listings, update your profile, apply for position and perform other account related tasks. That's it. You have successfully logged into Federal Bank Courier account. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. Also hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.